Okay, so I just got back from work. Let's just do a quick video. Some people were kind of confused. How can I be a deaf nurse? I am profoundly deaf in both ears. That's the most severe level of hearing loss. So I have a cochlear implant at work. I have to have it on. I do have a stethoscope. Yes, I can listen to heart, lungs, bowels, anything. This is my stethoscope. I have the ability to stream the sound to my cochlear implant so I can hear it. It connects automatically. All I have to do is turn it on, put it on the patient, it works. Not only is it Bluetooth compatible, it's amplified digital. You also can see the EKG on here too. As soon as I'm done, I turn it off and then it just automatically disconnects. And then I go back to whatever I'm doing.